Lesson 4. Multiplication and Division. In the previous class, you have learnt about multiplication and division. Let's revise them. Properties of multiplication. 1. Order property. The product of two numbers does not change when the order of the numbers is changed. Examples: 4 times 8 equals 8 times 4. 20 times 9 equals 9 times 20. 2. Grouping property. The product of three numbers does not change when the grouping of the numbers is changed. Examples: 5 times 24 times 70 is equal to 5 times 24 times 70. 25 times 33 times 42 is equal to 25 times 33 times 42. 3. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. We have 353 multiply 52 plus 217 equal to 353 multiply 52 plus 353 multiply 217. 35 multiply 140 minus 120 equal to 35 multiply 140 minus 35 multiply 120. The above property is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. 4. Multiplicative property of 1. The product of a number, and 1 is the number itself. 5. Multiplicative property of 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. Multiplying a number by 10, 101,000. Rule: to multiply a number by 10, 101,000, we insert 1 0, 2 zeros and 3 zeros respectively on the right of the given number. Example: multiplying a number by multiples of 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Look at the following examples. Example 1. Multiply A. 42 by 40, B. 143 by 70. Solution: A. 42 multiply 40 equal to 42 multiply 4 multiply 10 equal to 168 multiply 10 equal to 1680. B. 143 multiply 70 equal to 143 multiply 7 multiply 10 equal to 1001 multiply 10 equal to 10010. Example 2. Find the products. A. 239 multiply 600. B. 4529 multiply 500. Solution: A. 239 multiply 600 is equal to 239 multiply 6 multiply 100 is equal to 1434 multiply 100 is equal to 1,43,400. B. 4529 multiply 500 is equal to 4529 multiply 5 multiply 100 is equal to 2645 multiply 100 is equal to 22,64,500. Multiplication using expanded form of multiplier. Look at the following examples. Example 5. Multiply A. 2346 by 436. B. 6805 by 472. Solution: A. 2346 multiply 436 is equal to 2346 multiply 400 plus 30 plus 6 is equal to 2346 multiply 400 plus 2346 multiply 30 plus 2346 multiply 6 is equal to 9,38,400 plus 70,380 plus 14,076 is equal to 1022,856. B. 6805 multiply 472 is equal to 6,805 multiply 400 plus 70 plus 2 is equal to 6,805 multiply 400 plus 6,805 multiply 70 plus 6,805 multiply 2 is equal to 27,22,000 plus 476,350 plus 13,610 is equal to 321,1960. Multiplying larger numbers. In the previous class, we have learnt the multiplication of a number by a 2-digit or 3-digit number. Similarly, we multiply the larger numbers. Example 1. Multiply 3639 by 308. Solution. Hence, 3639 multiplied by 308 is equals to 1120,812. Multiplying of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers by 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Observe these examples. Example 1. Multiply 38837 by 207. Solution. We can do multiplication in usual way, or multiplication by 0 can be omitted as, thus, 38837 multiplied to 07 is equal to 8039 Example 2. Multiply 368471 multiply 525. Solution. Thus, 368471 multiply 525 is equal to 193,447,275. Word problems. Example. Find the number of seconds in a year. Solution. There are 60 times 60 equals 3600 seconds in 1 hour. There are 24 hours in a day. Thus, there are 3600 times 24 equals 86,400 seconds in 1 day. There are 365 days in 1 year. So, number of seconds in 1 year is equal to 86,400 times 365. Thus, there are 3,15,36,000 seconds in 1 year. Framing word problems on multiplication. We have already learned how to write a word problem for the given number sentence in the previous class. There may be different word problems for a single sentence. It all depends upon how you look at it. For example, for the number sentence 4912, multiply 1075 equals to, we can write the following word problems. 1. Find the product of 4912 and 1075. 2. 4912 buttons can be packed in one packet. How many buttons can be packed in 1075 such packets? Estimating products. Look at the following examples. Example 1. Estimate the product of 373 and 228 by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Solution. Rounding off the given numbers to the nearest hundreds. 373 is rounded off to 400. 228 is rounded off to 200. Estimated product is equal to 400 times 200 equals 80,000. Note, rounding off a number up to the hundreds, tens, place implies rounding the given number to the multiple of hundreds, tens, greater than the given number and not to the nearest hundreds, 10. Rounding off a number down to the hundreds, tens, place implies rounding the given number to the multiple of hundreds, tens, smaller than the given number, and not to the nearest hundreds, tens. Example 1. Divide 325630 by 43. We have explanation. Step 1. Here, the divisor is a 2-digit number. So, consider the number formed by two extreme left digits of the dividend. It is 32, but 32 is less than 43. So, take the number formed by three leftmost digits of the dividend. It is 325. Let's see how many times 43 is contained in 325. 43 multiply 7 is equal to 301 and 43 multiply 8 is equal to 344. Clearly, 301 is less than 325 and 344 is greater than 325. So, 43 is contained 7 times in 325. Write 7 in the quotient just above 5 as shown in the solution. Write 301 below 325 and subtract. 325 minus 301 is equal to 24. Bring down the next digit, therefore, 6 from the dividend to make 246. Now, 43 times 5 equals 215 and 43 times 6 equals 258 clearly. 215 less than 246 and 258 greater than 246. So, 43 is contained 5 times in 246. Write 5 in the quotient just next to 7 as shown in the solution. Write to 15 below 246 and subtract. 246 minus 215 equals 31. Step 3. Bring down the next digit, 3 from the dividend to make 313. Now, 43 times 7 equals 301 and 43 times 8 is equal to 344. Clearly, 301 less than 313 and 344 greater than 313. So, 43 is contained 7 times in 313. Write 7 in the quotient just next to 5 as shown in the solution. Write 301 below 313 and subtract 313 minus 301 equals 12. Step 4. Bring down the next digit 0 from the dividend to make 120. Now, 43 times 2 equals 86. 43 times 3 equals 129. Clearly, 86 less than 120 and 129 greater than 120. So, 43 is contained 2 times in 120. Write 2 in the quotient just next to 7 as shown in the solution. Write 86 below 120 and subtract 120 minus 86 equals 34. Thus, quotient 7572 and remainder is equal to 34. Properties of division. 1. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. Examples. 2. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is always the number itself. Examples. 3. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is always 0. Examples. 4. Dividing a number by 0 is meaningless. Word problems. Example 1. The product of two numbers is 148191 and one of them is 169. Find the other. Solution. Product of the numbers is equal to 14,81,961. One number is equal to 169. Other number is equal to 14,81,961 divided by 169. Thus, the required number 8769.